I'm Chef Michi. Welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. Today we're going to make ratatouille on quinoa. Preheat oven to 400 degrees. Coat a large rimmed baking sheet with non-stick cooking spray. Set aside. Cut the eggplant in half lengthwise, then slice diagonally into half-inch pieces. Cut the zucchini in half lengthwise, then into half-inch rounds. Cut the kabocha in half, remove seeds, then slice thinly into 2-inch pieces, leaving the skin on. Place the eggplant, zucchini, kabocha, tomatoes, onion, and chickpeas into a large bowl and lightly toss with chickpea liquid called aquafaba, olive oil, dry basil, granulated garlic, garlic salt, and black pepper. Arrange the veggies on the rimmed baking sheet in a single layer. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes until tender. In a medium pot, bring the water or stock to a gentle boil. Add the quinoa and cook 20 to 25 minutes until small peaks appear on the surface of the grains. Fluff with a fork and spread the quinoa onto a serving platter. Layer the veggies on top, sprinkle with feta and garnish with fresh basil. Serve with pesto on the side. This meatless, protein-packed dish filled with local vegetables is sure to become a new family favorite. For this recipe and more, go to KTASuperstores.com/recipes.